So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here these 5 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic Imperialist Penetration. So guys, this video will be about the French colonial administrative policy. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, France introduced the policy of assimilation in her colonies primarily to A. Give them a sound education, B. Teach them the art of leadership, C. Discourage them from ritual killings, D. Change their way of life. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. That's to change their way of life, and that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next one, guys. So we have here question number 2. It says, the dash as a new policy direction introduced by the French government that was aimed to granting more autonomy to its colonies under pressure from independence movements. We have A, policy of association, B, policy of assimilation, C, Loy cadre, and D, indigenous policy. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next one, guys. So here is the next question. Question number 3. It says, the French colonial system was underlined by the policy of A, assimilation, B, paternalism, C, indirect rule, D, socialism. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's assimilation. And that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next one, guys. So here's the next question. Question number 4. It says, acculturation in colonial administration was associated with the A, French policy of assimilation, B, British indirect rule system, C, British policy of direct rule, D, French policy of association. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. That's the French policy of assimilation. And that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next and last question for this video, guys. So guys, here's the last question for this video. It says, before the people of French West Africa Protectorate could acquire French citizenship, they must A, travel to France, B, get assimilated, C, serve the chef the subdivision, D, work in the circles. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. They must get assimilated. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. Finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.